Hi boys and girls, it's me, Miss Yvette from the Walpole Coordinated Family Community Engagement Program, and today we are going to make a rainbow fish. A rainbow fish. So let's get started. The supplies that we need are the rainbow fish template, some markers or crayons, a glue stick, glitter, tin foil if you don't have glitter, and a pair of scissors. You also could use glitter glue if you have that. Okay, boys and girls, let's get started on our rainbow fish. I chose to use crayons today, and I'm going to start coloring my rainbow fish. You can choose any color that you want, and remember, it's a rainbow, so any color will work well. As you can see, I have colored a lot of my rainbow fish so far, and I can finish in a little while. But I wanted to show you how to make your rainbow fish sparkly, just like in the story. I'm going to start with the tin foil. If you don't have glitter, you can just take tin foil and cut it out. And make as many shiny scales that you want on your fish. Take your glue stick and glue on the scale, just like that. Now let's start with the glitter. If you have glitter, which I do, take your glue stick and anywhere on your fish that you want some glitter in a shiny scale, press down and use a bunch of glue. You can also put some on the fins. Anywhere you want, as much or as little, anything goes. Okay, and now I have taken a cookie sheet and put tin foil in it. I like to use this method because then the glitter doesn't go all over the place. Place your fish inside of it, and then just shake away. When you have all of the glitter on your fish that you think you want, simply lift up the page and shake it off right into the pan. See, now my rainbow fish has a bunch of shiny, sparkly scales and some sparklies on his fin. So why don't you go ahead and do that. I'm going to do a little bit more coloring on mine, and I'll be right back with how my rainbow fish looks completed. Here's my rainbow fish all completed. I hope you had as much fun as I did making my rainbow fish. Hope you all have a great summer, and we will see you in September for more page turner story times with Miss Bernadette.